I found out why there aren't too many big yabbies in the dam. This grey heron has been getting them. I was down on the pontoon earlier and there's a couple of little yabby claws down there, and there's also the two cormorants that come in. And I think between the three of them they managed to get the choicest yabbies about. Oh well. It's very cool to have them here though. It's going to be nice when I get the pontoon set up. I might end up seeing the cormorants when I get the extra length out there. The cormorants might air themselves off on the pontoon as well. Yeah, that's very cool.